Hi children, this is your history class, lesson 2 from trade to territory, part 6. In the last class we are discussed about the two main rivals of the Britishers, that is the Tipu Sultan, the ruler of Mysore, and the Marathas. We discussed and studied how the Britishers managed to capture the Mysore and Maratha kingdom. Today we are discussing about a new policy put forward by the Britishers known as the claim to paramountcy. The claim to paramountcy. So we discussed how the Bengal, Mysore and Marathas were captured by the Britishers. We have discussed already the aggressive policies of the Britishers. So through the battles they captured, through the battle of Plassey they captured Bengal, fought 4 battles to capture Mysore and 3 Anglo-Maratha wars to capture Marathas. So they put forward a new policy, the claim to paramountcy. It was put forward by the Lord Hastings, who was the Governor General of India from 1813 to 1823. The claim to paramountcy was the idea of Lord Hastings, who was the Governor General of India from 1813 to 1823. What is the claim to paramountcy? Through this, company claimed that its authority was paramount and supreme, higher than everyone. Their authority was paramount and supreme. They are the head of all things and they were the supreme power. Hence, its power was greater. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അവരുടെ പവർ ഗ്രേറ്റർ ആണ് than that of Indian states, greater than the states of India. ഇന്ത്യൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സിനെക്കാട്ടും ഉയരത്തിൽ നിൽക്കുന്നതും ഏറ്റവും പവർ ഉള്ളതും അവരാണെന്ന് അവർ സ്വയം പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുകയാണ്. That was the claim to paramountcy. They claimed themselves as supreme than of the Indian states. So they justify the annexation or threatening of the Indian kingdoms. So they said through this they justify the annexation or the threatening or to annex any Indian kingdom. ഏത് ഇന്ത്യൻ കിങ്ഡം ആനക്സ് ചെയ്യാനും അവർ ഈ പോളിസിയാണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്, ബിക്കോസ് ദേ വർ ദ സുപ്രീം. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ആൻ ഐഡിയോളജിക്കൽ ത്രെറ്റ്, ഐഡിയോളജിക്കൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മൂവ്മെൻ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു ടു ആനക്സ് ദ ഇന്ത്യൻ കിങ്ഡംസ്. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ദ ക്ലെയിം ടു പാരമൗൺസി. It was an idea of Hastings. During Hastings period the Britishers came the idea of claim to paramountcy. Through this they said they were the authority. They declared themselves as the paramount or supreme power, and through this they said they have the right to annex the other Indian kingdoms. But the Indians were not ready to give their kingdoms through this policy, so they faced some challenges. Whatever the Britishers said they were supreme, but the Indians were not ready to accept the supreme power of the Britishers. So they made some challenges to the Britishers. It was in Karnataka, the Kittur, a place in Karnataka. There Rani Chennamma led an anti-British resistance. Rani Chennamma, why he resist against British? Because the Britishers tried to annex Kittur, the place in Karnataka. Karnatakayilulla oru place aanu Kittur. The Britishers started to annex Kittur to their territory. So Rani Chennamma started an anti-British resistance, but he was not very powerful. She was not very powerful and was arrested in 1824 and died in prison in 1829. So Britishers easily captured Rani Chennamma and put in the prison, and she was died in 1829. But the anti-British resistance was continued by Rayana in Kittur, and he had a popular support. He had the popular support, so he destroyed British camps and records. So continued Rani Chennamma, Rayana destroyed British camps and records. He had a popular support from the Kittur. So in 1830, he was also caught and hanged by the Britishers. In 1830, he was also catched and hanged by the Britishers. So it was an important policy put forward by the Britishers to annex the Indian kingdom. The name was the claim to paramountcy. Through this policy, they set themselves as supreme or paramount than the Indian states. So they tried to say they have the right to annex the Indian kingdoms. So through this policy, they started annexing more Indian kingdom to their territory. But they faced a challenge from Karnataka, the place in Kittur. When they started annex the place Kittur, Rani Chennamma led an anti-resistance movement. But she was arrested in 1824 and died in prison in 1829. And the anti-British resistance was continued by Rayana, a person in Kittur, and he had a popular support from the common people, and with that support he destroyed British camps and records. In 1830, he was also caught and hanged by the Britishers. After this, their main aim was to the northwestern part of India. The northwestern part of India. You know what is the northwestern part. And they fear that the Russians will come and capture the northwestern part of India. They simply feared about the Russians. But so they made a battle against the Afghanistan, and in 1843 they made Afghanistan their territory. After getting Afghanistan, their aim was Punjab. Punjab was the next aim. So Punjab, the ruler was Maharaja Ranjit Singh. He was a strong ruler, and they were fear of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. So because of the presence of Maharaja Ranjit Singh in Punjab, they held back from the Punjab. And after his death in 1839, two prolonged wars were fought with the Sikh kingdom. Ultimately in 1849, Punjab was annexed. So this was the first. They fear about the Russians who came and captured the northwestern part of India. So they started a battle against the Afghanistan and captured Afghanistan. The next aim was Punjab, but the ruler there, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, was very strong ruler. So they fear about the ruler and they held back from Punjab. But after the death of Ranjit Singh in 1839, after two prolonged wars, they also captured or annexed Punjab. So you understood the policy of paramountcy. Paramountcy means they declared themselves as the superior power or the paramount authority of the Indian kingdoms. So they justify their right to annex these kingdom to their territory. So through this, but the Indians were not ready to allow the claim of paramountcy. So they got some challenges to the Britishers. It was from the Karnataka, when they started annexed Kittur, the Rani Chennamma led an anti-British resistance and she was arrested in 1824 and died in prison in 1829. And it was continued by Rayana, and Rayana destroyed so many British companies, camps and records, and he also caught and hanged by the British. After that, they was aimed at northwestern part of India, so they fought a battle against Afghanistan. Then their aim was Punjab, but they were fear of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. So after his death in 1839, Punjab was also annexed to the British property. This was today's class. Thank you.